Hi everyone. So I would like to tell you the schedule that I'm going to follow for GATE CS as well as GATE DA for all the subjects. Okay. So what is that we are going to do is TOC is already completed. Permutations and combinations is almost completed. DBMS is also almost completed, and TOC and DBMS will be over in 1 week or 10 days time. After that, we are going to follow this order. Okay. So we are going to do two subjects in parallel: DSA, data structures and algorithms. Okay, so it will take 30 days. See, I'm giving you schedule in terms of days, not in terms of hours, because guessing the hours will be a little bit difficult, because sometimes we get lot of doubts in the class. Sometimes we don't get any doubts in the class, and so some classes will be fast, some classes will be slow. So that is why I'm giving you instead of dates and everything, I'm just giving you days, right? So it will take 30 days for me to finish algorithms and data structures, and the number of hours per day is going to be at least 4 hours. Every day 4 hours class, sometimes it may go to 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 or 8 hours also. So be prepared to sit for longer hours. Even we are going to go for 8 hours class. Okay. So anyway, that depends on the what is the subject and how many PYQs are there in the subject, and also what is the syllabus of the subject. Okay. So some subjects like compiler design, it gets very it will be over very fast. Digital compiler design, and for subjects like TOC, it will take more time, right? But anyway, the target is to see that algorithms and data structures are going to be over in 30 days. Then, along with operating systems, I'm combining linear algebra. See, I'm going to do mathematics in parallel with these subjects. The reason is, it will be too boring if I take 4 hours of class for only mathematics, right? If there is computer science also involved, it will be a little bit exciting. That is why here I'm going to combine operating systems and linear algebra for the next 30 days. And then discrete mathematics and calculus 30 days. Digital logic and probability 30 days. Computer networks and compiler design 30 days. And computer architecture and organization 15 days. Okay. So even though the hours are not mentioned, it will vary from day to day and from subject to subject. Sometimes I go with 4 hours, or sometimes I go with 8 hours. Okay. So the task is to see that we are able to complete the syllabus by November end. Okay. November end, or mid of December. And similarly, we are doing the same with the GATE DA. Okay. For GATE DA, first programming and data structure. See, already DBMS is going to be over. So DBMS is going to be over, and permutations and combinations, we already finished it. Okay. So the remaining part in the probability and statistics, counting is already done. Okay. So first we are going to do DSA for 30 days, then linear algebra for 30 days, calculus for 30 days, probability and statistics for 30 days, data warehousing 1 week, and then machine learning 60 days, and artificial intelligence 30 days, right? So this is the schedule that we are going to follow for GATE DA. So both of them, we are going to cover everything by mid of December. Okay, mid of December, you should be able to cover everything. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And if you have any doubts regarding schedule, you can WhatsApp us, and we'll give you a detailed one, any answer if you want. Okay, thank you.